Everyone's asking if AI will get smarter. The scarier question is, can we even power it? Because behind every chatbot is a data center, and those data centers are starting to break the power grid. 6 stories on the energy crisis nobody's talking about with my honest take. Let's take the pulse. Story 1. AI's appetite for electricity is exploding. Global data center power demand is set to hit 132 gigawatts in 2026, up from 104 last year. That's a 27% jump in a single year. My take, compute is the new oil, but electricity is the new bottleneck. The company or country that controls power will control AI watch energy, not just chips. Story 2. America is already running short. The U.S. faces a power shortfall of 9.3 gigawatts this year. By 2028, that gap widens to 45 gigawatts, roughly the electricity of 34 million homes, just gone. My take, this is a physical limit and you can't prompt your way around it. The AI boom is about to collide with the real world. Power, not algorithms, may decide who wins. Story 3. Fixing the grid costs a fortune. To handle the load, S&P Global estimates the U.S. needs around $720 billion in grid upgrades. The grid was mostly built decades ago, and AI is overwhelming it. My take, this is a once-in-a-century infrastructure spend hiding inside the AI story. The winners here won't be chatbots. They'll be the boring energy and grid companies. Follow that money. Story 4. The AI part is growing fastest of all. While overall data center demand grew 17% last year, the AI-specific data centers grew 50%. AI isn't just part of the load, it's the accelerant. My take, the smarter and cheaper AI gets, the more we use it and the more power it burns. Efficiency won't save us here. Demand always outruns it. Plan for a hungrier grid, not a leaner one. Story 5. Soon AI will sip from the whole planet's grid. Data centers used around 1.5% of the world's electricity in 2025. By 2030, that's projected to double to roughly 3% of all global electricity. My take, 3% of all electricity on Earth for computers. Let that sink in. AI is becoming a planetary-scale energy consumer, and that changes the geopolitics of everything. Story 6. So big tech is building its own power. They aren't waiting for the grid anymore. Microsoft locked in a deal for 150 megawatts of dedicated wind power. Others are signing nuclear deals and moving straight to power-rich regions. My take, when the biggest companies on Earth start buying power plants instead of ads, you know the game has changed. AI isn't a software story anymore. It's an energy story. Own that insight. What mattered most? Number 1, the 45 gigawatt shortfall, because it's a wall the whole industry is about to hit. Number 2, the $720 billion grid bill, because that's where the quiet fortunes get made. That's your pulse for the week. AI's real limit isn't intelligence, it's electricity. Subscribe so you see the crunch coming. This was AI Pulse.